A tree whose seed oil is helpful for various industrial paints, varnishes, and soaps. What a fantastic tree it is! Introducing Bagilumbang Rheotialis trisperma of the family Euphorbiaceae. This tree is endemic and is considered vulnerable in the Philippines. Bagilumbang is a medium-sized evergreen tree that is widely scattered or sometimes planted in low to medium elevation forest. It is considered one of the taxonomically essential trees in the country because it is the only species of Rheotialis, an endemic genus. Seeds of Bagilumbang are considered a strong purgative. The oil extracted from it is an effective insecticide and can be used to treat parasitic skin diseases, burns, scalds, and wounds. The sap from the bark can be used as a hair tonic and to cure dandruff. Aside from this, the oils are also beneficial for various industrial applications including paints, varnishes, linoleum, soap, oilcloth, synthetic leather, and lubricants.